what kind of, I don't know. All right, Tamaya, since there's nothing on this prompter, let me come over to you. Tamaya, Jody, and Kareen, try this challenge. You guys tried this in the office yesterday and it worked? It didn't work. All right, so they all fell flat on their faces, right? Literally and figuratively. So I guess they don't like us very much because they want us to do the same one today. Stand on one leg, pick up this piece de papel. Could you come out of the shot so they can see the paper? What? On the ground with our mouths.
What?
We can use our hands for balance.
You can?
Yes.
Well, this
I
is
thought we
easy.
couldn't.
Wait, there's a video. They say it can be done. I don't know, but there's a video.
I didn't want to see the video because I can't do it.
Can we see the video?
You can?
I want to see the video.
The rules are 1 foot, no hands.
Nothing can touch the ground.
So level 1 is this way. Level 2 is turning the paper like this.
I just watched the video of how to do this, and I hope to God I don't screw my back up doing it. I just heard something pop.
I work out 4 days a week.
3 to 4 times a week.
I work out like 3 times a week, sometimes more. I'll squeeze in like an extra hike on the weekend.
I work out about 4 times a week. I think I can probably do 15 or 20 one-legged squats. I got leg muscles.
This is level 2. You will not beat me, paper.
I'm gonna take my jacket off.
Here we go, Muay Thai skills.
All right. So, hold on. So, Tam says we can use our hands, right, Tam?
For balance?
For balance. Right. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay. No, never. You're too... You don't be a stealer.
That's cheating though.
Come, fix the paper.
That's not the, this is what Burgess does.
What is he doing?
No, but your paper is going to be taller than ours.
But that is the idea.
I know, because he's a thief.
No,
That's
it's
your
not
cheat.
it's not
You're
a
taking
thief.
advantage.
No, you use your head
Come.
to do things. First thing,
Move
wait,
down
stop.
your paper then.
Stop.
Are we going?
Wait, no.
Come now, we don't have a lot of time
The
then.
dictionary say
Ready?
from up here is your foot. So if I
And
go down by my knee.
On the marks,
Yeah.
catch shape, set, catch.
Yeah, no. No hands.
Yes, you can use our hands for balance. That's what it said. Look, you can use your hands
For balance, but not touching the
But no
ground.
touching?
Yeah, you can't touch the ground.
Then
so.
how we gonna balance if we didn't touch the ground with your hand?
So who got the closest? Even if you don't pick up the paper, we're the winners? Yeah.
Or
no, you have
no,
to.
it's drop.
No,
All right.
I
No,
have
but
medical
it's not-
reasons for not
but it's in
doing
my
this
shoe.
shit, so. Yeah, Kurt, I'm gonna have words with Tam Tam.
Come on then.
I can't.
Go Trish, you can do it, Trish, you can do it.
All right, shoes off like Simone. I got this. No, Trish too competitive, but
I'm
can't
too
do.
short.
Yeah.
No, never. You
No
use your
need.
hands.
Yeah,
What's
me
wrong
too
with you?
short too. Oh,
Tiffin is in your DNA. Come,
All right.
Marbell will not be pleased. Come again. Ready? All right.
oh yeah, cause them things here will cause wardrobe malfunction. Yeah. Simone one. Girl power.
I don't know what you did, but you... Why are you such a crook? Okay. Try again.
That's yoga coming in.
I was on...
That's level 1. You have to do level 2 now.
What is level
Except we
2?
never do level 1.
Folded smaller.
Oh my God.
All right.
Go away, Tamaya.
One?
They'll show you how me great.
What are you doing exactly?
It doesn't use your hands. One.
Stop the foolishness.
This
Alright,
is
go,
impossible,
Trish.
isn't it? And I am Zemo's flex. Shoshana
is the tallest person.
Go your 2 teeth.
I'm just following you.
I took it off on one leg.
She lied.
Simone, that was not one. We're all struggling.
Whose side are you
On your side. But we're all struggling.
No, I am not struggling.
I don't know why Tamaya and Jody try this, because this is not for short people.
This game is not
It is not for
You're
short
closer.
people.
Proper bone.
Actually,
Once
no.
you go-
Then it should be easier for you because you are short.
I can't bend further than this.
Go Trish.
So
Go Trish.
I can't.
Go Trish.
I'm still gonna fall. Simone can't manage me.
I was holding you, girl. I got you. Come, help me, Trish. Help me.
1
Ready?
foot up. See the paper
Why is
fall.
Trish this is
Go, Simone. I got you. I got you. I got you.
Never.
I didn't want to know.
Threw off our, you know. We were so combobulated. Oh my God. Wheelbarrow. Never
It's all
stay
right,
away.
we're going to go for a break.
Stay
I
away.
won, folks.
Trish,
Marisa, do it.
Oh.
Yeah, because Marisa is up.
Marisa like a taekwondo version. She can't contort and go.
Fun.